Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In the series construction cost of house step by step, today I will guide you which construction is best, material cost or labor cost. After completion of house drawing or house planning, we need to decide how we can start the construction. We have two methods of construction. One is material cost, the second one is labor cost. Okay, so let's start. I will guide you now. As you know guys, we have the first one, that is material cost. And the second one, labor cost. Now which one is best? Remember, first of all, I will recommend you, before explanation of material cost and labor cost, for the poor person, okay, if your house budget is low, so you should select the labor cost. So if you don't have time and you are working as a businessman, or you need a luxury house, if you don't have any idea about house construction, so material cost construction is best for those people. Now, what is material cost and what is labor cost? Now I will explain you deeply. Remember guys, in material cost, for the owner of project, they don't need to bring material to the site for house construction. They don't need labor, because they will just pay for covered square feet area, okay, if that is in square feet or if that is in square meter, you will just pay for covered area. Okay, there are different rates for house construction, but in labor cost you will just bring the labor, but here you don't require it. Now you will decide these things with a contractor, because nowadays contractors are working on the two bases. One is material cost, the second one is labor cost. Okay, so when you decide to do the house construction by material cost, okay, so nowadays we have different rates for material cost for building construction. For example, if your covered area is, for example, as you can see, this is the covered area in which you want to do construction, covered area. Okay, so for example, if this covered area is 1200 square feet, okay, so by material, okay, and also by labor cost, you can do the calculation by this method. But here guys, for the material, for the luxury house, for the normal house, okay, so we have different categories in building construction. Okay, so nowadays for the luxury house, the price of the material cost for house construction is about 2800 rupees per square feet. This is the cost of construction for 1 square feet for covered area, on a covered area basis. Okay, so for the normal house you can pay about 2000 rupees per square feet. Okay, and also in material cost we have also more two types. Okay, one is, the first one is gray structure, and the second one is with finishing. Okay, so on covered area, by material cost and covered area, we have with finishing like this rate, 2200 per square feet. So here you have anything, tiles, marble, sanitary, from start to finish. They will just give you the keys for entrance. Okay, just. And gray structure, we have also different rates, 1100 per square feet cost of construction for gray structure. 1000 also 1400 also, 1500 also. So we have different rates. Okay. Now guys, this is called material cost. So I recommend you, if you don't have time and you are businessman and you want to need a luxury house, good planning, good design, and not for just for short time, you can get a best house construction and material cost. Okay, this is good for those people. Now come to the labor cost. Guys, labor cost is good for the, especially for the poor people, because if you want to do just grade structure or just till the DPC or the plinth level, you can complete in different stages and labor cost, or just start the excavation then stop, or just do the construction till the DBC then stop it, or if you want to do the brick masonry to the top, don't provide the slab, RCC slab. So it's depend on you. So this is best for the, if you don't have the budget, okay, if your budget is low and you cannot afford, so labor cost is best. So nowadays the labor cost is labor cost. So there you will bring the material, okay, so the contractor will provide you the labors and they will complete your construction just by labor cost, and the labor cost price is nowadays about 160 to 190 rupees per square feet, okay, per safety uncovered area. Okay, 160 to 190. Okay, so there are different categories also in the work. Okay, so sometime many people they can complete the plastering work in this. Okay, many they will complete with 190 plaster, flooring, etc. Everything they will do. Okay, so this is on the basis of the labor cost. Okay, now guys, remember, as I told you, if your budget is low and you cannot afford and you want to do the construction and long term policy, labor cost is best for you. But in material cost, you will do the construction just in 2 points, okay, or in two terms you can do. First, you will give them by material cost the house construction on grade structure or on with finishing. Okay, so if on grade structure, so they will take about 400 to 1500 for grade structure, or 1100 is also, there are different categories. Or if you want to stop the work, so to the grade structure you can give the work. But in the labor cost you can also, okay, it's also depend on the what, it's depend on the budget also, and long term and short term policy you can point out easily here which one is best for you. Now you can also decide very easily. So now guys, also remember one point in labor cost, okay, so you can bring more ideas, but in material cost, when you get decision in material cost, so they will give you the full grade structure, or with finishing they will give you. And by labor cost you can start from the foundation to the ground level, or from the ground level in second stage you can do the brick masonry, in third stage you can start the RCC work, in fourth stage you can start the finishing work. So this is in the series construction cost of house step by step, which one is best for you, right? So if you have any question about this video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. So in next video we will get start from the foundation to the finish level. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.